Hey, what's up? Steven Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips on how you can actually draw a lot more traffic to your website, help bring in a lot more customers and grow your business. Three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Everything that you see is content, even these images. This all has content behind it. Google sees this all as well. You got UV. You can actually put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's going to help with your rankings. Then also adding a lot more content inside this thing, maybe 15, maybe 2,000 words of content going inside that first page. Being really authoric in who you are, what you do, plus adding that much more content. You can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. If I go inside of Google here, type in kitchen remodeling, Philadelphia, PA. You could do any location, could do kitchen, bath, doesn't really matter. Excuse me. But this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack here at the top, ads at the bottom. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because they've been spammy, and a lot of people have put up ad blockers, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through, and they're being a lot more harder to optimize. But this little map pack right here, or Google My Business listing, some people call it a 3-pack because of all just the top 3 sections get all the business. But really, to get here, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top as well. But what a citation is just different business directories listed across the web. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them. So I would actually go in and get like maybe 50 or even 100 times more citations than they have. So when Google comes by, does all their algorithms and crawls your site, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you've done in this listing area. Underneath this map pack, you have all that organic traffic that happens right here on that first page of Google. And really, to land your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure you found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just multiple links from different websites that's just really drawing power from and helping you push your site to that first page of Google, which not all backlinks are actually created equal. You got high authoric and no authoric backlinks, really. But kind of give me an idea here. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You don't have any backlinks, which backlinks is good, what's going to help you drive your power and get on that first page of Google, so you can actually draw in this these traffic or those leads that come in right here in this section. No keywords, and what keywords are what people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. I want to give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. I took DR remodeling. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So he's got 381 referring domains, which is pushing back over 2,000 backlinks. Over 1,000 keywords he's being found for. So different people typing in this or that, and it's pulling up his website. Which in total, he's getting 334 clicks to his site. We can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from. Tile, edge, trim, those kind of keywords we don't really want because it's not really driving the traffic that we want to your site. So we look at ones like kitchen remodeling Philadelphia. There's 90 clicks right there. Kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, PA. Just different ways of how people think that they put it in. Another 100 clicks. So there's 190 clicks right there just with those 2 keywords. And as long as you're doing enough backlinking where you can actually get in a good position, you're going to notice your traffic just shoot up through the roof from all those high quality backlinks. And really just coming in, finding all these keywords that's going to drive more and more traffic to your site. It's just going to help you build that business bigger and bigger. But anyway, I hope you've seen any value, anything that I went over. I would love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to talking soon. Take care. Bye.